Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today in this video, we are going to talk about Izhar Rule. What is the importance, how we are going to learn it, and how do we know we are going to do Izhar. Today in this video, we are going to talk in detail. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, we need to know the definition of Izhar, when we are going to do it, and how do we know. Izhar rule is Izhar Halqi is the most common and the first type of Izhar in Quran recitation that each student encounters. Obviously, whenever you read in Quran, you may see many examples in coming in almost every line. So here's the definition. If after Noon Sakin or Tanween, six total letters appears, then we do Izhar, means not doing Ikhfa. I want to tell you about Noon Sakin and Tanween. What is Noon Sakin and Tanween? Whenever Noon having Jazam, or you can call it Sukoon, that is Noon Sakin. When any letter having Jazam or Sukoon, it's called Sakin. For example, I put it on Meme, so now it's Meme Sakin. Okay, so that is Noon Sakin. And what is Tanween? Tanween is two zabar, two zer, and two pesh. So we can call them together Tanween, and also we can call them one by one Tanween. Two zabar, two zer, two pesh. Okay. So if one of them appears, we are also going to call it Tanween. So what are the six total letters? Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghayn, Khaa. These are the six letters. If these six letters appears after Noon Sakin and Tanween, we are going to do Izhar. So let's go to the exercise so we know how we are going to do it. Okay, there are some example of it over here. We can read them. Min akhihi, min akhihi. Okay, that's min. I'm not doing min. Min is ikhfa. Min akhihi, that is izhar. Man amana, man amana. That is the example after noon sakin, hamza is appearing. Okay. غثاء أحوى من عين آنية. Here is the example of ha after noon sakin or tanween. So this is the example of noon sakin. Min hadin, min hadin, minhu, minhu, minhum. And that are the examples of tanween. Jurufin harin, jurufin harin. That jurufin is izhar. ولكل قوم هاد, ولكل قوم هاد, قوم هاد. So that is example of noon sakin. Ain after noon sakin. أنعمت, أنعمت. من علق, من علق. محمدا عبده, محمدا محمدا عبده ليوم عظيم. ليوم, that is إظهار. ليوم عظيم. And there are the examples of ha. Man harrama, one har. And that are the examples of tanween. Narun hamiyatun min hakimin hamid. Min hakimin hamid. These are the examples of Ghayn after Noon Sakinah Tanween if Ghayn appears. Man ghaba min ghayrikum ajrun ghayr rabbun ghafur. And examples of Khaa after Noon Sakinah and Tanween. Liman khashiya min khawfin min. The voice is still min khawfin nakhlin khawiyah shay'in khalaqah shay'in khalaqah. Okay, these are the examples of every letters, every total letter, 6 total letters, and after Noon Sakinah and Tanween. So now we go to the random exercise in which random letters are written not with these columns, so we need to know them too. So whenever we read in Quran, so we know. Okay, here is the page, and you can see there are many letters with Ikhfa and with Izhar. So how do we know Izhar? We know the definition. We know the definition. After Noon Sakin and Tanween, if 6 total letters appear, Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghayn, Khaa, so we are going to do Izhar. We are going to read only those letters. Okay. First one is Min Ajalin. Min Ajalin. That is Izhar. Min Hadin. After Noon Sakin, Ha is appearing. Min Hadin. من علق من علق. Next one. من حكيم من حكيم من غفور من غفور من خوف من خوف. If I go to the next one, after Noon Sakin, it's not the total letters, it's Ta. So we are going to do Ikhfa here, but we are not reading Ikhfa in this video because it's not the topic. And we move on to the end, and there we go. Yan auna minhum an'amta an'amta. I think you have made the point is clear. Now you have understand it. Inshallah, in the next video, we are going to talk about the new rule. If you like the video, comment on the video, like the video, and share with your family and friends so they can learn too. Up to then, Allah Hafiz.